Hey y'all, today I'm going to be doing some flooring. I'm going to be putting down some smartcore Pro. This is in my bathroom. This is a gardenia marble. And yeah, I got a good price on it last year for it. So we're going to try this out and see how it works. I don't know how to do any flooring, but this is a simple snap and click in type of thing. So you would need a mallet, like a rubber mallet, and a tapping block. And you also, but that's where if you do the snap and the put in, you just snap it in or whatnot. But since it wasn't staying down like that, I'm going to be using some glue, some stick and stay. Yeah, I'm be using this stick and stay. There was a recommended adhesive for this, but for like a gallon of it was like $150. So I just looked up some adhesives to use with that, with this smartcore Pro, and I found this on Lowe's. So this is only $13. It's only 1 quart. But my bathroom floor isn't that big, so hopefully this is enough. It should be enough to do my whole floor. So, yeah. Hopefully this works and it sticks down nicely. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to start at the doorway. Now, the person who had cut my toilet part out didn't tell me I needed to start at the doorway. So, but now I'm going to start at the doorway. And, yeah. Just work through this and try to get it down. I already pre-cut my pieces, but I might have to still cut some more depending on how this works or whatnot. So when you put this stuff down, it says to wait about 10-15 minutes before you actually put the towel on top of it. So yeah, just right before it gets dry. And it's like really creamy, thick texture. I'm just going to slap some on the floor and use my trowel to mark it in. First piece down, yay! Okay, so now I'll start on this side of the wall and work my way up. The next part I'm going to start on is over here near my vent. I have to put these pieces around this part to get it to where I need it to be. So I'm going to start with this one. Wipe out any extra glue you may have. So now I'm going to show y'all how to cut the smartcore Pro toweling. I guess it's toweling, yeah. Okay, so I got this piece measured out, but it was a little too long. So I'm going to make another piece and try to measure it out right. Hopefully it fits right. Alright. Just want to mark your spot. I'm going to do like right here, because it only needs like a little bit taken off of it. Okay. And this is the part you want to keep it straight. You want to keep your line straight as possible. And all you're going to do is just swipe it down. Like this. Then we're going to take it and it should just snap right off. Like that. Now I'm going to see if this piece fits in the spot I need it in. that's about it. It's a little crooked, but hopefully, maybe I can probably see that crookedness. But yeah, a little crooked. But hopefully it still just works. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to take off a little piece if you need to just like to take a little piece off. I'm gonna just use this regular piece. So you need your cut to be like right here. Just go straight down. That's it. And since that like it's kind of hard to pull off, I'm gonna get you some pliers or something. Stick it right here and just peel it on back. Well, make sure the cut is deep enough first. Might have to go over it a couple of times. Just take them, sit it down, crack it open. See how it tears off? And there you go. Want to clean up the edges? Take this extra little stuff off. Just get you some scissors. Clip it up. And boom. Got your little piece. Alright. Today, had to get another quart of the stick and stay. I got a little bit halfway through with my floor yesterday and I had to pick up some more of this stuff today, so I needed 2 quarts of the stick and stay from my floor. Alright, let's go ahead and finish this up. Alright y'all, so I just finished completing my floor for the bathroom. That's how it looks. Now it says to wait at least 2 days before you start heavy trafficking in this area, just to let the stuff settle in. So wait 2 days before there's any heavy traffic in the bathroom, and also 5 days for moisture. So yeah, gotta wait 5 days before I start putting the toilet in, and then my little fixtures for the tub, and then my bathroom will be completed. Alright y'all, finish this part, just a little bit ways to go and I'll be done. Thanks for watching. Bye.